Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipali from Succulent Gardener, Mumbai. So today I'll be showing all my hanging indoor outdoor plants. So it's like a tour to my all indoor outdoor hanging plants. So let's start the video. This is a hanging basket plant. This is called as a baby's tears plant. Now botanical name of this plant is Solirolia soliroli. It is also known as Helexine soliroli. Very beautiful plant, so tiny leaves. If you will keep this plant outdoors, it will grow very nicely. It can be kept indoors also, but if you'll keep it indoor, it will grow very slowly and it will get leggy also, means the distance between these two leaves will increase. If you'll keep it outside, they will grow very fast and they will look very bushy. Now see here, this side remains inside, so there is no that so good growth, but the side which is there, that side, the stems are growing so long. Very beautiful looking plant. It is very good to give a ground cover in your any kind of a plant arrangement. This is a flowering plant. It gives a white color star shape flowers during at the end of September, November and December. This is like a tears, and there are spikes at the edges of the leaves. This is the way it looks. I think you can notice the spikes at the edges of the leaf. As this is kept outdoors, I water this plant daily, this baby's tear plant. And this baby's tear plant, watering regularly is required, otherwise they will start burning, they will start drying like this. They prone to root rot also, so you have to be careful that the soil has to be well drained soil. Next plant is this. This is the Tradescantia plant, Tradescantia wandering Jew plant. There are various varieties of Tradescantia plant is available. The one which I have is a Tradescantia purple plant, wandering Jew. Another variety is Tradescantia nanu plant, which is more like pinkish color. Another variety is Tradescantia burgundy color, which is more bright purple color. It's a Tradescantia burgundy is reddish and purplish color, more towards reddish color. So what I have is a Tradescantia wandering Jew purple. Very fast growing plant, and this looks very beautiful. It will give a different color hint in your all green garden. Very easy to grow plant in Mumbai's climate. See, and this is a humidity loving plant. It will give good amount of bright sunlight. It will give its color very nicely. If you will keep it indoors, or if it will not get good sunlight, then it will not give you that so good color. I water this plant daily as this is kept outside, and as this is summer season is going on, they are prone to root rot, so soil has to be well drained soil. Very beautiful looking plant. If you'll miss watering, then immediately the leaves will start burning like this. So watering this plant regularly is very, very important. This is the Scindapsus pictus plant which I have kept indoors. This is perfectly indoor plant. If you will keep it outside, its leaves will get scorched. Next to it, this is the Philodendron micans. Philodendron micans is growing very nicely in this season with me. Recently I repotted this Philodendron micans. I have made video also on it. You can see that video. See the color, such a brown bronze color is coming out. I will just take this plant here. See the growth of this plant. See the size of the leaf. Now this plant requires the indirect but bright light, and they grow very nicely under bright light. If you will keep it away from the light, the size of the leaves become small and they will turn to green. Now if they will get exposed to direct hitting sunlight, its leaves will get scorching this way. Now what happens, this side of this pot is towards outside and this is towards inside. So the side which is inside, there is a growth of the plant, and here there is no as such noticeable growth, because they get direct hitting light, means not direct hitting light, but amount of light they are getting at this part is more in comparison with this part. So here they are getting perfect light. So from here they are growing very nicely, and see the stems also, they are also becoming very thick. I don't know whether I am able to show this in the this camera, but there is a very good noticeable growth of this plant. This is also very good to add in your green garden to give some color hint. The new leaves, this is a bird of a new leaf. They also come in a pinkish bronze color. They also look very beautiful. This is one of my favorite plant, that is the Philodendron micans. If you give them right amount of light, they will give you this bronze color. And there is a shine also. If you will touch this leaf, you will feel the velvet. It's a velvety. If you will touch this, it is a velvety leaf. This is the another basket of Calesia repens, which is also called as the inch plant. Very easy to grow plant in India, in Mumbai. Very fast growing plant. This is a succulent plant. This Calesia repens is a succulent plant. Now this plant I have planted in a succulent soil. As it is kept outside, they need good bright light. They can be kept indoors also, but I prefer to keep this outside my window, and I water this plant daily as there is a lot of heat in Mumbai. This is a very good succulent plant which can be planted in a hanging basket, this kind of a basket. The stem of this plant is purple color, and when I am turning the leaf of it, it is in purple color. So it's on top it's a green, dark green, and here it is a purple color. Very beautiful looking hanging basket plant. very easy to grow. There I have succulent basket. Many times I have made videos on this succulent basket, so I am not covering those plants. This is another plant from the pothos varieties called as the Enjoy money plant, which is also known as the Enjoy pothos. See the variegation on the leaves. Now this is like only this much area of this leaf is green. Now as this is a variegated plant, this should get bright light. See the variegation, such a beautiful variegation. This is like a royal looking plant. Now to grow this plant, you need to be very patient. Very slow growing plant, but yes, definitely it will grow very nicely as they will get settled with you. See the growth of the plant. I have taken many times, I have taken its cutting. This is very good to grow indoors, outdoors, but they should get the bright light. If they should not get the direct hitting sunlight. If they will get direct hitting sunlight, leaves will start scorching this way. Now this side is facing outside, so you will find little bit scorching on the leaves, but the stems which is growing from this side, from inside, they will grow very happily. You will get perfect variegation on this side as there is no direct hitting light. This plant will give a royal kind of look to your garden. This is the Enjoy pothos or Enjoy money plant. Water with the regular intervals. Use normal soil, normal garden soil. I water this plant every after 2 days. When the soil is dry, water it. Now one more plant I have which is kept here. Now I will lift that plant. This is my jet plant, elephant bush jet plant. This is a succulent variety. Now as this has this trailing kind of a nature, you can plant the jet plant in the hanging basket. They look very good in hanging basket. See, it was a standing plant. Now it's growing, it's coming out of this pot and it's trailing like vine. I have used here the succulent soil. My experience with this plant is, now the monsoon is going, there is a humidity around the plant and it grows very nicely during this season. I water the soil when the soil is dry. If there is too much dryness in the atmosphere, then its leaves will start shrinking. All the varieties of philodendrons can be grown easily in the hanging basket. I have this philodendron green. See the growth of the plant. See the size of the stem. This is neon philodendron. Philodendron Brazil. If you will keep them outside the window, they will grow very fast. Its rate of growing will get reduced if you will keep them indoors, but they grow very nicely indoors also. Now this one is kept on one shelf which is inside my room, but it is growing very nicely. So how much bushy it has become. Philodendrons are very easy to grow in our climate in India, in Mumbai. There are various varieties of money plant available. This is the green money plant. This is a marble queen money plant. And this one is the enjoy pothos. Money plants are also called as pothos, or their botanical name is Epipremnum aureum. Now these plants also can be grown easily as a hanging plants. They will grow easily in our climate, normal garden soil, or here I have used just coco peat. Very easy to grow plant. Pothos can be grown easily indoors also. This is the variety of neon money plant or neon pothos. This is Swedish ivy or creeping Charlie plant. Humidity loving plant, can be grown inside the terrariums. Small leaves, different pattern on the leaves. Very beautiful looking plant, can be grown easily in our climate. This also can be grown in the hanging basket. It grows very fast if you will provide it very good humidity. Need to water daily. Keep it under the bright light, but not direct hitting light. So this is a plant which is known as Scindapsus pictus argyrius. See the growth of this plant, see the length of the plant. Here is the pot. Now this is a stem which I took cutting from this and then propagated. Now this has got settled very nicely in this. See the size of the leaf. And I think you can see the shine on the leaf. That's why it is called as a silver pothos also, because of this silver shine. I got this plant last year during this season only, and there were just 2 stems. Now this has grew so big. This is the another variety of Scindapsus pictus which can be grown easily in our Indian climate or Mumbai's climate. It is very fast growing plant, looks very beautiful in a hanging basket. I have 2 varieties. This is the Scindapsus pictus argyrius and this is the Scindapsus pictus exotica. What is the difference between these 2 plants, these 2 varieties? I have made separate video on it. You can check that video. Its link I will mention in the description box below. Very easy to grow plant. Due to this silver color variegation, it is also called as a silver pothos. Very stunning plant. It will give, and it can be grown inside indoors, so it will give a nice color hint in your green garden. Water it. This is very forgiving plant. Water it when the soil is dry. Now this one I have planted in just coco peat, and it is kept in front of the window inside my home. It grows very nicely and very fast in comparison with this argyrius. Argyrius grows little bit slow, but this Scindapsus pictus exotica grows very fast. So guys, these all are my plants growth which I shared with you. If you want, you can grow these hanging basket plants, and this is the end of the video. So stay tuned to me. For that, you need to subscribe the channel, give a thumbs up, give a like, share and comment on my video. Thanks for watching.